What makes him as good as he's been for BYU so far?
Well, I think what Jake does, and I watched him do it at UVU, and I've watched him do it at BYU, he has developed a well-rounded game that gives him a lot of different ways to contribute. And that makes a big difference. And it was one of the reasons that I wasn't too worried about him. I didn't know if he'd come in and put up the numbers necessarily that he put up at UVU because, of who he'd be surrounded with and how the team would mesh under Mark Pope's system and how all that would come together. But I knew he would be a contributor because, I've watched him play the 4 at UVU and, gobble up 10, 12 rebounds. I've watched him be a consistent outside shooter. That little hook shot that he's got when he can get a mismatch down low, it's really a tough shot to stop, and he's really consistent with it. And it allows other players to move around and open up things on the perimeter. And,